Script for YouTube channel. Welcome to FK iPhone, where we dive into the coolest tech that challenges the norm. Today, let us talk about the 2025 Samsung J5, a budget-friendly device that packs quite a punch. Let us explore its features, design, and why it might just be the phone for you. Starting with the features, this smartphone delivers a strong performance thanks to its updated processor. It handles multitasking and casual gaming smoothly, making it perfect for everyday use. The display is a vibrant AMOLED panel, giving you rich colors and sharp details for streaming, browsing, or scrolling through social media. Samsung has also focused on battery efficiency this year, giving the J5 an impressive battery life that keeps you connected all day. It's equipped with a solid camera setup, offering crisp photos, clear selfies, and decent low-light performance. With expandable storage options and a clean Android experience, the phone provides versatility and ease of use. Now let us talk about the design. The Samsung J5 has a sleek and modern look, perfect for those who value both form and function. Its compact size makes it comfortable to hold, while the lightweight build ensures it's easy to carry around. The back panel has a smooth matte finish, giving it a premium feel even in the budget category. The front features slim bezels and a centered punch hole for the camera, offering a more immersive display experience. In terms of connectivity, the phone supports the latest network standards, ensuring fast internet speeds and stable performance. It also includes all the essential ports and a responsive fingerprint sensor for added convenience and security. To wrap it up, the 2025 Samsung J5 strikes a great balance between affordability and functionality. It's perfect for users looking for a reliable and stylish phone without breaking the bank. Whether you're into photography, streaming, or just need a dependable device for daily tasks, the J5 delivers a solid experience. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to FK iPhone for more exciting content about the latest gadgets. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.